Hello and welcome to my channel. You don't have to go to McDonald's anymore to get your morning sandwich. These freeze so well. What I do is I make a bunch ahead of time. I freeze them individually, and then when I need a sandwich, I am ready to go. So come along with me and let me show you how I do this. This is frozen salad right now, so I need to cut the ends off so I can put it in a microwave. I don't put it in a microwave very long, just long enough to get this plastic off, and that way I'll be able to cut even perfect little pieces off. I need 6 pieces, but I'm going to do a few extra for snacking. Our chickens are laying some small eggs right now, so on a couple sandwiches I'm going to double them up a little bit, and I'm going to get them cooking while I get the sausage prepped. The first time I made these, I didn't do this part, and I was sorry because they shrunk up and they weren't as big as the muffin. So I do push them out just a little bit. That works perfect. By the time they shrink, they're perfect for the sandwich. And then you just want to cut all 6 of them apart and get ready to build your sandwich.